The over 2.5 betting option is winnable in any league, but to have a chance at always cashing out with it, we have to narrow our focus on some specific leagues, and the best ones are the attacking leagues. Or basically leagues where the average over 2.5 odds are always between 1.3 to 1.4 odds in games between the goal-scoring teams. And the first league here is the German Bundesliga. Bundesliga is a very attacking league, with far more high-scoring teams than low-scoring ones. Most of German clubs also have the quality for over 2.5, which is the ability of a club to be able to score up to 2 goals against the other, and the ability of the other team to score 1. And this attribute is common to almost every team in Bundesliga, unlike the other leagues like La Liga and EPL where only the big teams, and clubs that are close in terms of strength gives over 2.5 goals. In case you don't know, another key factor of determining if a match will produce more than 2 goals, is their both teams to score chance. The greater the chance of both teams to score, the higher the possibility of more than 2 goals, and German clubs are also perfect for this. The number 2 league is the Netherlands Eredivisie. The interesting thing about this league is, there are teams who don't really need other teams to score back against them to deliver more than 2 goals. Attacking clubs like PSV, Ajax, Feyenoord and maybe Alkmaar. Another thing? You have close to a 45 to 55% chance of winning a bet list if you picked over 2.5 goals for all Eredivisie matches, and even a higher winning possibility of 80%. If you choose an over 1.5 bet options for all the matches, other high-scoring leagues suitable of over 2.5 goals are the Switzerland League, Denmark League, Turkish Super League. The Premier League is also good for over 2.5 if you do enough analysis of the games, and even the Netherlands Second Division. You can also trust these leagues for the both teams to score betting option.